G'day and welcome. It is the Barefoot Captain's log, day 10, and my voice is almost back. Almost. Now, firstly, big announcement. We are now on Patreon. Please go and check us out on Patreon. For the smallest amount, even just 25 cents, you can sponsor us and help us out. We can buy new equipment, pay for an editor, buy new sound equipment, camera equipment, and really make this production and the vision we send to you and the stories we tell you even better. So even for the smallest amount, and for that, you'll get images that no one else gets to see. Images of us and what we're doing here. Really, really pretty drone stuff as well. See the places we're seeing, the way we're seeing it. You can still support us for no money at all by going and sharing, subscribing, and commenting.
Today was pretty special. We arrived here this morning about 6 AM. We got here just as the sun was coming up over the horizon. There's nothing around except for a tiny island, and it's just right now flat swell.
Cato Island seemed to just appear out of the sunrise. And the first thing you hear is the birds. There's so many birds out here on this island. It's covered in birds, boobies and terns everywhere. So many. We'll take you into the island in a couple of days and that'll blow your mind. We came in close to Cato, but we had to wait for the sun to rise so we could come and anchor because we couldn't see the reef.
Yeah, so just stop where you are, turn on the dime, and we'll guide you in a bit closer. There's a bit of sand if you go further in. But don't go too much far that way.
Yeah, that'll be the spot then.
A bit more to port.
We still have really low sun angle and a bit of cloud.
That makes it really difficult to anchor, right? Because I almost can't see through the water.
I can't see anything. I can't see into the water at all. We could run up on the reef and not even know it. So I've got Guy and Gabby on this side, Paul and Silka on that side, and they're going to guide me in between some bommies to a point where we can drop the anchor.
Drop it.
And everyone was pretty eager to jump in for a swim.
The only scary bit is here. There's a resident tiger shark, which is cruising its waters, but I just hope he's not there today.
Really excited to be here, finally, and be able to jump off the boat, no clothes on, after being 3 days in here. Water was so nice, so refreshing.
She jumped in, everyone's had a bit of a swim. We all feel clean and rejuvenated by the salt water. We went into the island. Salt, there's this like ring around the flywheel that has to slide back and forth. I'm covered in crap now.
WD-40.
Yeah, fixes everything. We did that around the middle of the day because I wanted the sun up high enough.
Landing the third branch.
And I took my drone in. What I was doing is I was using the drone to map the reef. Went along looking for dark shapes and any odd shapes that didn't look natural. And that's how I'm going to find these shipwrecks. There's 3 shipwrecks here. There's the Dukenheden, the Anne, and the Thomas King. The Thomas King has gold on it. The Thomas King left Sydney with a lot of gold from the gold rush. So there's a chance we could find that tomorrow. wait to show you what we get up to tomorrow. It's gonna be a crazy day. We're gonna be searching for shipwrecks, gold, and doing a very, very treacherous thing with the Barefoot, trying to fit it through this tiny little passage. My dad got through on his boat, the Beaver, and I'm pretty sure I can get this fat lady through. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. This is the Barefoot Captain signing off.